to identify. Okay, so the first one is my longitudinal fissure. So if you're doing a coronal section, all of this, that slit, the long slit that comes on down to here, all the way down, that's my longitudinal fissure, okay? And this commissural tract going across, that's my corpus callosum. Okay, so right there is my corpus callosum. So you can tell, it goes all the way down to that corpus callosum. Okay, then the next thing I have on my list is my lateral sulcus. So the best one to see this lateral sulcus is right here. You see okay? Okay, so there's my lateral sulcus here. And then this is my insula. That's my fifth lobe right here. Okay? Now the next one is my septum pellucidum. So the septum pellucidum is a membrane that separates the two lateral ventricles. Here are my two lateral ventricles, and then the wall between that is my septum pellucidum. Okay? These are my two lateral ventricles. My insula is here. Okay, now if I go down inferiorly, these two extensions coming off this way, those are my optic nerves. Okay, so those are gonna pass through then my optic canal. And then where they crisscross, right in the center, that's my optic chiasma. Okay. Okay, then the gray cortex, it's all of the dark staining. The cortex is the outer bark. And the gray represents then my cytons of my multipolar neurons, okay? And on here, these are called basal nuclei. You see islands of gray matter within the cerebrum? Those are islands of gray matter, and this one here in particular, the one right here and the one right here, that's my thalamus. Okay? So then if that's my thalamus, then that becomes in right here part of my third ventricle. Okay? That's part of my third ventricle. And let's see if and that's all I have on here to be able to identify.